So temperature and physical state affect the entropy of a system. When the temperature increases, the entropy increases because the molecules are moving a lot faster. And as you move faster, it gets more chaotic and random. So that makes perfect sense to me and seems logical. If the temperature goes down, the entropy goes down. Now, if we think about physical state, solid, liquid, gas, in a solid, the molecules are packed in there very rigidly in their crystal lattice, and they don't have much room to move. Okay, if you've got a molecule, it's just sitting there vibrating. Okay, it doesn't have room. It can't rotate. It can't translate and rotate. Okay, especially when it's tied by a leash. All it can do is sit there and vibrate. So the entropy is low because it's more ordered. When you get in the liquid state, they're vibrating and rotating and translating all over and bumping into each other, but there's a lot of molecules in there. When you get to the gas, they're just going wild, and they can go banging all around the edges of the container, and there's so much space between them that they seldom interact, so the entropy is very high. So we can predict the entropy changes in chemical reactions just by looking at the chemical equation. Reactions that increase the number of particles increase the entropy. When you have more gas, you get more entropy. If you change the temperature, you get more entropy. So let's look at these. Here, sodium bicarbonate breaking down to sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide, and water. When you look at this, we have 2 moles of solid. So here, in our solid, the entropy is low. Now we have 1 mole of solid and 2 moles of gas. So if you look at this, will the entropy increase as we move to the product side so that delta S is positive, or will it decrease in this reaction? It will increase. So delta S is positive because entropy is increasing because I'm making more particles and more gas. Okay, look at the next one. I have here 1 mole of solid and 1 mole of gas. Over here I have 1 mole of solid. So as I move from the reactant side to the product side, what's happening to my entropy? Decreasing, because I'm making fewer particles and I'm making more solid and reducing the amount of gas. Okay, so we're going to stop here for today.